So what's your name? How old are you?
No way.
You need funds for college?
Race car.
So today, this car is either gonna make some power or it's gonna blow up. We'll see. Well, good morning, Sleeping Beauty. No, well, you could have. Just as bad as Cody getting me out of bed. That it is. Morning, good sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, what do we got in here?
The Blue Cobra stimulus package.
All right, explain what we got.
A not broke 256. Some manifolds that are not have an exhaust welded to them, and a good clutch over here, brand new. What kind of? I don't know. New-ish.
Hey, look at here. Greg can't pull down the driveway or turn around. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
How you doing? How you doing?
Doing well. It's early.
And away we go.
You get the time there. It's AM.
What we doing, man?
We're sorry we had to treat you like that on the hills.
Gasser.
No, it's okay. Oh my God. We have these things weigh about the same. Not a diesel, is it? I know it's bad form to talk about something that somebody lets you borrow, but you cannot give me a 1500 with 5.3.
Now that we got some light out, this is Greg's V. And it's going up to Vengeance to go get some work done. And it will be back in about 2 weeks. So this car is going to get worked on and that car is going to get tuned. And we worked on that one. So it'll probably be morning before we get back up there. So I guess we'll check back in when the sun comes up. So about 5 hours later, it's daylight now, unloaded cars. It's a little cold, so DA is probably really good right now. I'll post it up here. But we're gonna unstrap. We got Zach over here. And we got Heath. We got that cold air, man.
What's up, man? How you doing?
So, got that DA. We're gonna make that big number today.
Highest horsepower SBE LS3 Vengence ever done.
Keith, we're gonna have to work on your shoe game, man.
He got the lows.
Dude, my other shoes are.
Like I'm rocking the Corvette shoes in honor of you making big power. So where are we going from here, Zach?
Chicken fillets. The best chicken ever.
There we go. Backwards hat.
How far down we gotta get?
Right there.
So that's the look before it goes.
Yeah, when he starts to dyno pull, I'm gonna turn my hat around backwards.
There's no gap sauce. All right, take a guess. What are we guessing?
Power 345. 376.
Obviously, I will. Guess.
What am I guessing?
That.
It's gonna make 500.
Gonna make 500. I bet it'll make every bit of what y'all said. And it'll probably make both of y'all's put together. So they just did a baseline on Greg's V. It made 757 on 93 pump gas. No meth, no E, and it's kind of number 2 misfire. So they're going to try to get that fixed before all that stuff goes on there. But not bad for a baseline. What you got there, Heath?
Low power, baby.
So tell us the bill, everything we did.
Build on the car. Vengeance did cam kit, blower, diff, all that kind of stuff and everything. But the disclaimer is, I just did a fuel system on the car myself, meth system myself, and we're gonna switch over to E85 and spray some meth to it and turn it up on a stock bottom end. So if it comes apart, my fault, not theirs.
Got something to add to it?
We'll see. We'll see.
I've been warned.
It's about to throw down some power. So.
What do you think about that?
800 sounds.
Hey, he's not gonna answer that question. It's up to you. Let's go with 8. Alright? That's what we'll do.
Hey, that's on video that he's got saying that, okay?
That's on me.
You alright, Heath? Uh-huh. Like you're nervous or something. Are you happy with it now?
Oh yeah, I'm absolutely happy. I mean, there's always room to grow, but I think it'll live a little while.
Oh, we can put it back on top. Now throw 2 more degrees at it.
We'll ride right where we're at. We'll be fine.
Mike said he's done. When Mike says he's
What
done.
is that? Was it SAE Smooth and Bob?
I didn't even look.
Greg says he wants more than that.
I'll have one. Yeah, you'll have one. I'm just like.
They'll figure out real.
Yeah, you gotta jump, man. You gotta chase the race.
I need 2 in the hip.
2 in the hit?
Do not drop it.
Can I break it?
Just drop it.
Can I drop it?
Yeah, let me.
What if it's not fine?
You gotta break it in.
Yeah, we're throwing the big tune on the high.
We're throwing the beat the 3.5 EcoBoost tune in it.
Well, we're gonna put it to the test now.
We'll see.
So we got the trailers hooked up. Heath made a total of 807 horsepower. Greg made 760 or 757 technically on 93 pump gas. That car is getting a Magnuson and some other goodies, ice tank, whole 9 yards, and should be making somewhere north of 900. So we'll pick that up in about 2 weeks. Everybody at the house thought that Heath's car blew up. At least we tricked them to through a text message, and they're all sad, but in reality it made actually really great power. So I think that we're just going to go ahead and head to South Alabama. So we're going to conclude this trip, and we'll see y'all later.